All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look here at problem number 3. We're given two angle measures and the non-included side. We've got our angle side. We can easily find the third angle because they have to add up to 180. So the measure of angle C has to be 180 degrees minus the sum of A and B. Well, A is given as 153.8, B is given as 18.5, and that means that the measure of angle C has to be we're in degrees, we're set to round to 2, so, well, I'm not even using the ratio, the signs yet, but so if I've keyed in the correct numbers here, I'm getting the measure of angle C to be 7.70 degrees. So now we have our three angles. We want to find the length of three sides. We're given one of the sides. So the known pair that we have, the reason we know to use the law of sines is because we have a pair of A's. We've got the sine of A, we know angle A, and we know the length of A, and we know we can find the length of B because we know angle B. We know three of these four things. We've got 153.8 over 5.91. We've got the sine of 18.5 degrees over B. So if we cross multiply, along the green diagonal, 5.91 times the sine of 18.5 degrees. Along the gold diagonal here, B times the sine of 153.8, but I'm immediately going to divide by that to get the B by itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Need to shrink this up a little bit. So let's see what the calculator gives us. 5.91 times the sine of 18.5. You can't forget to close that parenthesis, otherwise it'll give you the wrong answer. So now sine of 153.8, 4.25. All right, so let's see. Let's come over here. They gave us the 153.8 and the 18.5, and they gave us the 5.91 was that length. We have come up with that the measure of angle C was 7.7 degrees, 7.70. The length of B, 4.25, and I haven't found the length of C yet. Okay, so let's come back to our known ratio. Yeah, just continue down here. The sine of A over A, not only is that equal to the sine of B over B, but the sine of C over C. So we've got the sine of 153.8 degrees over 5.91. That information was given. We found the measure of angle C by our triangle angle sum theorem. And now we can use the law of sines to find the length of C. So again, we're going to cross multiply. So if I multiply along this green diagonal, 5.91 times the sine of 7.7. If I multiply along the gold diagonal, I'll have C times that sine, but then I'm immediately going to divide by that sine to get C by itself. So last time I used this 18.5, and now I'm using 7.7. Hey, that's the same. 1.79. So we're done. They gave us three things, three pieces of information, and we provided them the. Yeah, I wrote that in red. I guess I should have kept it in blue. That doesn't matter. All right. Well, I hope that helps, and I will talk to you later. Bye.